Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve LeetCode daily challenge problem number 1129, shortest path with alternating colors. The crux of the whole problem is we will be given two arrays with directed edges between a few points. For example, we have a red colored edge from 0 to 1. We have a red colored edge between 1 to 2. Okay, and there's no blue edge into the graph, and n basically represents the number of edges, number of vertices or number of nodes we have. And what we have to basically find out is the minimum distance required to reach to the last node from the very first node. So basically, if our n is 3, we have to find out the minimum number of edges, the shortest path we can take to reach from 0 to 2. Okay, so this is the crux of the whole problem statement, and what we're going to do is we are going to use a DFS approach for this. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to first prepare a hash between the source and the destination. For example, there are chances that from 0 you can directly reach out to node 2 as well, right? So I will prepare a hash with the source and the destination between red edges and blue edges both, like for red edges and blue edges instead. And after that, we will just simply iterate. We will start iterating from 0th node, and we will simultaneously iterate red edge and blue edge for all the nodes until we you know, reach to the final state. And at the last, we have to return this array, which basically represents the shortest path required to reach to a particular node. Okay. Let's move to the solution. Okay, first things first, we wanted to have a hash map for red and blue both, right? So red hash. I will be using default dict because, sorry, default dict, as I don't want to get a key error whenever I'll introduce anything. Similarly for blue hash, default dict list. So we are keeping list as our values, and keys will be basically the sources. Now we just have to iterate in the red edges and blue edges arrays. So source comma destination in red edges. We will just simply map the values into our dictionary destination. We will do exactly same for, sorry, for the blue edges. Okay, we are good to this point. Next, what I want to do is I want to initiate few values which I'll be using for further processing. For example, for DFS, I would use a Q. Okay, let's use DQ for this. Okay. Next is I want to initiate a set in which I will be storing the node which I have visited and using what colored edge. Okay. So let's keep it a set. Okay. And the last thing which I want to initialize is my answer array, which I'll be returning at the end. And this, I will initialize all the values with -1 in range n. Okay, good. So we have initialized all these values. Next point is, in our queue, I can definitely start it with the 0th node, and the distance it will take will be 0 because it's our source node, right? And there will be no edge. Basically, we are storing three things: node, length, and color. Sorry, and you can also say this distance. Okay, so for our source, I will be adding that directly over here. Let's use sorry, list 0, comma 0, comma none. Okay. Next, when we added 0 in our queue, we can also say that we have seen that node as well. Okay. And in visit, we are storing node and edge color. Okay, awesome. Next is we just have to run a loop till we have values in queue, while queue. And whenever you'll pick a value from this queue, you'll get these three values, right? So let's just copy these from queue dot left. Okay. Next thing is we can simply check if this value is already seen or not. So what I'll be doing is if answer to my node is -1 till this moment, then I'll update it with the current length. Okay. So if we visited a new node, basically we are updating the answer for it. Next is if my edge color is not equals to red. So basically we reached this node with a blue edge or a empty edge. For example, for the first node, for the source node, we had none as our edge color. So we want to basically start or we want to have both options open for my source. So that's why I have used this not over here. So if my edge color is not red, what I want to do is I want to pick all the neighbors, all the neighbors from this particular source having red edges. So for neighbor in red hash with our current node as the source. And if we haven't seen what was it, node and edge color. So if we haven't seen the neighbor with this particular edge color, if not in visited, then I want to run run that particular node through my DFS. So it will be neighbor, sorry, neighbor, comma, the distance will be length plus 1 and color will be red, of course. Also, we will have to add that into our visit set as well. So it will be neighbor with a red edge. We will do the exact same for the blue edges as well. Blue, blue. I'm just updating the values. We are almost done. The number should be blue. What else? Seems fine. And once we processed all the nodes, I just simply want to return my answer. Okay, let's see. Let's check out the test cases. Length is not defined. Wait. Sorry, it is distance. This should also be changed. Yeah, edge color. Okay, let's change this. Visited is not defined. Okay, it is visit. So sorry for the typos, guys. Um, okay, so the test cases got accepted. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed decent. Like we outperformed 73.46% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks a ton for watching the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.